Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in MBBS. Begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of each system, rather than just rote memorization. It's crucial to connect how different body systems interact, forming a holistic view. Always consider the clinical implications of normal physiological processes. This approach helps build a strong foundation, making complex topics much easier to understand and retain for your exams and future practice. To truly excel, incorporate active learning methods into your routine. Creating flowcharts and diagrams helps visualize intricate physiological pathways, making them easier to remember. Regularly test yourself using active recall techniques, like flashcards or explaining concepts aloud. Don't forget to practice with past examination papers. This familiarizes you with question styles and highlights important topics, boosting your confidence significantly. Choosing the right resources is paramount for effective study. Standard textbooks such as Guyton and Hall or Ganong's Review of Medical Physiology provide comprehensive coverage. Supplement these with online resources and video lectures to clarify difficult concepts and gain different perspectives. Consistent, spaced repetition is key for long-term retention. Reviewing material periodically prevents forgetting and solidifies your understanding over time. Applying your physiological knowledge to clinical scenarios is vital for MBBS. Think about how normal functions change in disease states, which enhances your diagnostic reasoning. Engaging in group discussions with classmates can also clarify doubts and expose you to new ways of thinking. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Keep practicing and connecting concepts for lasting success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.